Hi dear traders, I'm Maria Staradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from FxCo. It's the 2nd of December today, Friday, and in our today's review we will start with fundamental background. We'll find out what impact Jerome Powell's speech had on crypto market, what's happening with the US dollar index and how it affects cryptocurrencies as well. And then we will move on to technical picture of first Bitcoin and then Ethereum. Okay, let's start. We will start with an article by Artem Petrenko and first fundamental background. As we all know, the central and the main event of the last trading week was Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech on Wednesday. And in general, he made hints or even statements that there are several reasons already to reduce the pace of rate hikes. First, October CPI declined. Then statistics on the US GDP is also positive. The indicator was 2.9% against the forecast of 2.7%. So now the probability of a 50 basis point rate hike in December is 75%. Moreover, Financial Times experts made a statement that global inflation has finally achieved its peak point, and in the coming months we should expect a fall in inflation worldwide. So all these factors affected quite positively the cryptocurrency market, and it went up. Bitcoin rose significantly. Also, we should pay attention to US dollar index, which, as we remember, has inverse correlation with Bitcoin, and US dollar index showed the largest monthly rate decrease in November since 2009, and of course this was positive news for high-risk assets, including cryptocurrencies and the stock market. So the combination of movements in macroeconomics and related markets allowed Bitcoin to form bullish engulfing pattern and gain a foothold above 17,000. Glassnode experts note that after successful bullish momentum, the number of addresses in profit reached the level of 50%. Also, we should not forget that the season of holidays is coming, and given the rise in holiday mood in the stock market, which is always accompanied by a New Year's rally, we can expect a similar movement in the price of Bitcoin. If we look at the chart, what can we see? Having reached the 17,000 around level, the price of Bitcoin faced strong resistance from the bears, and cryptocurrency is on the verge of a bullish breakout on the 15,500, 17,100 range. But technical metrics point to weakening buying positions. Thus, stochastic is gradually forming a bearish crossover pattern. The RSI indicates a decrease in buying activity or a significant increase in bearish pressure. And at the same time, MACD continues to move upward, suggesting the strength of the medium-term upward trend. So, as a result, Artem says, the macroeconomic background and improving investor sentiment contribute to the upward movement of most markets, including cryptocurrency. And in the near future, a pause and retest of the 16,700 level is possible, where a local support area has formed. And to maintain a bullish potential, Bitcoin needs to hold the 16,700 level and gain a foothold above 17,000 again. Under such conditions, the cryptocurrency will continue to move towards the next targets at 17,600 and 18,200. But the further movement of Bitcoin will depend on the overall situation, since all the positive does not negate a large number of negative factors, of course. Well, let's look at the chart for the moment. So it's the 2nd of December today, and Bitcoin opened the day at the mark of 16,966, and now at the moment of the publication it is trading at 16,929. So it still holds that very level 16,700, though it hasn't gained the foothold above 17,000 yet, but it's really close to it. Okay, let's see what's happened next. And now we will move to the next article by Dean Leo and the technical analysis for Ethereum. So here on the chart, what can we see? The overall bias for Ethereum is bearish, Dean says. However, the price is now above the Ishimoku cloud, which might indicate a shift to a bullish market. Expecting price to possibly break the first resistance at 1,308, where 38.2% Fibonacci line is, before heading towards that second resistance line at 1,400, where 61.8 Fibonacci line is. In an alternative scenario, price could possibly head back down towards the first support at 1,071, where the previous swing low is. So his trading recommendation are: entry 1,308, reason for entry, first resistance line. Take profit 1,071, reason to take profit, first support line. Stop loss 1,677, reason for stop loss, slightly above where the second resistance line is located. Okay, such forecasts. Well, now let's look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. So today, the 2nd of December, and Ethereum opened the day at the point of 1,276, and now at the moment of the publication it is trading at 1,272. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other on Monday. I wish you a pleasant weekend, profitable trading, and see you soon. Goodbye.